Current time is 8:09 p.m. Here on the Nashville Transmitter, we are live with weather information as we are working on some technical issues. Current radar is showing that line extending in from Portland to, say, Old Hickory, to Antioch, to just south of Columbia, down to Wayne counties. Okay. Okay, we have another warning coming out. Stand by, please. John, I need the same alarm. I need the same. Number one, please. I need the same. Let it rip. We have Davidson, Sumter, and Wilson counties. All right, folks, we're going live with another tornado warning. This tornado warning is for northeastern Davidson, southern Sumter, and northwestern Wilson until 8:45. Stand by for tones. You good? No. Okay, folks, tornado warning in effect for northeastern Davidson, Sumter, and Wilson counties until 8:45. At 8:04, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Hendersonville, or 11 miles southwest of Gallatin, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Cottontown, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Castaigne Springs, Dixon Chapel Recreation Area. Again, tornado warning in effect for northeastern Davidson, southern Sumter, and northwestern Wilson counties until 8:45 p.m. Current time is 8:12 p.m.